Hello everyone, this is Juana, Latina Loves Lace, and I'm coming on today to share with you guys some scrapbooking supplies. There's this lady, her name is Aya, and she has a store on Amazon called Bleds, Bleds, and it's scrapbooking supplies, and she asked me to do a review on some of her products, and I accepted. And so we're here today to do the unboxing. And in this kit includes, it consists of 501 pieces, including a tape runner and some flower stickers. So let's go ahead and open her up. And here are the flower stickers, and there are 40 pieces in here. And they're mostly yellow flowers, and I do not know the names. But anyway, so we have these flowers here to decorate your pages and to do collages and all that stuff. So this is the first package, and I will just set them off to the side. Okay, so that's the first little package. And then another package, and there's 60 pieces in the paper packages. And this one, as you can see, is grids. And there are 2 pieces of each in the packages. This one, did I miss it? Yes, I accidentally grabbed it with the other one. And we have this one. And these papers are thin, so they're great for collaging and embellishing without, adding too much weight to your project. These are really nice. And it's all types in here. And they're all sizes too. And I will measure these and give you an idea of just how big they are. So let me grab my tape measure here. And the square one is almost 2.5 by 2.5. It's a perfect square. And the second size, I should have brought a ruler instead. The second size is a little over 2 inches wide by 3.5 inches. And so that's the second set in here. The third set, very beautiful. Love the colors. And in this set, we have these. And this one also has 2 of each. Very, very pretty. And these, I imagine these are the same measurements that I gave you before. And that's that set. And this set, and all the colors coordinate really nicely. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. And the patterns, they're lovely. Okay. Next up, we have this set, and it looks, it has a textured look to it. It looks like crinkled paper. Look, gorgeous. These are more neutral colors. That's really pretty. A whole color palette here of these gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Next up, we have this set here. Here we have like a post. These are like letters and addresses, postcards. Here's a little note, and this one says, I don't know where home is, but I'm on my way. How cute. Yeah, so these have little sayings on them. It's a little postcard. There's another one. It says, you're getting too caught up in things that don't matter. That'll make you think. And I'm so sorry if I'm out of frame. I need to learn how to look in the camera and not at myself. Anyway, there's this cute postcard-like one. And here's another one. Very vintage looking. These are adorable. P.S. I still wait for you. How darling is that? And here's a mother and child postcard. And then the birds. This is lovely. And I am sorry if you hear the lawnmower going. You know, it's Saturday, and it was quiet until I started filming. Then you know, everyone's coming out to cut their lawn. This set here is a floral set. I really, really like this one. The flowers are so dainty. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Oh, no, you just want to go get it.
Oh, no, shut up. Sorry about that. Hubby didn't know I was filming, and he came in talking. Yeah, but these are the floral ones. Really, really pretty florals. Great for collaging. And the last package. Lace doily. see, and these little pages already look collaged. Did I have that upside down? I had that upside down. But anyway, these pages give you ideas for using the other papers in collaging on them. And then we come to these that looks like they're torn and burnt. Very pretty. These look like frames. It's like a mini letter from a notebook. I think this one has a little bulldog clip on there. This one looks like book page with a flower sticker and a little saying. I really love this one, the tattered look. Here we have this one. Looks like a little open book. And then here is the double-sided tape. And so this was my unboxing of Bleds Scrapbooking Supplies, and I will leave the link in the description box below. Thank you for being here, for watching, and I'll see you guys soon again. Bye.